guys, so ngayon, birthday ngayon ni Emika, hindi niya alam. So may konting surprise lang na cake. Tayo ngayon ay
Thank you.
November
November
15 or 14? So November 14. So we are celebrating. Hindi niya alam. Yes, for Emika. Just call her. Na after, wait.
Si Mami Hill,
Wait, Mami Hill. Wait, si Mami Hill. So, alis na kami, guys. Surprise. Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Wish.
Thank you.
Harap mo dun.
Oh, thank you so much. Happy birthday, Sika. So, happy birthday. Anong wish mo?
Sana maging healthy tayo lahat at maka-target tayo lahat.
Yes! I love it! Ang ganda ng wish.
Thank you. Uy, talagang kayo.
Si Juna yan, si Juna. So, yan lang po.